everyone. Today we are going to learn about science, diseases that affect the breathing system. Causes of cough. Cough can be caused by illnesses that affect the throat and the trachea. Such illnesses include cold and influenza. Illnesses that affect the lung like pneumonia. Inhaled dust or smoke. Increased effect of long-term illnesses like asthma. Signs and symptoms. Frequent clearing of the throat. Sore throat. Hoarseness. A running nose. Shortness of breath. Prevention of cough. Avoiding areas with particles like dust and smoke. Treating illnesses that may result to coughs like influenza and pneumonia. Thank you.